Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you a simple way to reactivate the waterproof layer on your ski clothing. As you can see, this one not waterproof anymore. So they have been normally washed on a delicate washing setting of the washing machine, have been dried at room temperature. We don't have a tumble dryer to dry them on low or medium setting. So at this point we want to heat them up with a hair dryer to activate that really thin waterproofing layer, because at the moment they are not waterproof anymore at all. With this particular hair dryer on mid heat setting with high fan setting, we don't want highest heat setting to not damage this. You could warp it or melt it altogether. So mid temperature setting on your hair dryer, you want to go like this all around over the whole area of them. We will just try to do an area at the knee somewhere, maybe even on this one. It should dry up fairly quickly, and then the waterproofing should be activated. And if you put a drop, it shouldn't go like this. It should just bead up, and if you lift it, should fall down. Well, let's see the effect now. A few drops of water, if I could actually get any to drop on them. They are beading up, but not extremely well. So the waterproofing could actually be worn on these particular pants. They should have repelled completely the water at this point. It was attempting to bead up, but not enough, so it's still dripping in. If you are in this situation, sadly, it might mean that you need to buy a new waterproofing solution and apply it all over them. It can happen after a few seasons of skiing. Yeah, this is better than nothing. As you can see, they are not going in that quickly, but still are able to go in, and you do not want water to go in your skiing gear. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Sadly, this particular pair needs a new waterproofing layer. Maybe it wasn't that great of a layer to begin with, but yeah, it is what it is. At least you are doing your best to get the most of what you already have by just heating up that top layer and reactivating the coating. In case if it doesn't work, I will put in the description a few products that should be able to waterproof something like this again. And yeah, if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.